Go. 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 Sit back down where you belong, in the corner of the bar with your high heels on. Sit back down on the couch where we made love the first time, and you said to me, something about this place, wow, wow. Something about lonely nights and my lipstick on your face. Something about my cool Nebraska guy. Something you and I.